In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what Amazon affiliate marketing is. We're going to talk about things like commission structure, affiliate window, how to get started, and more. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn more about the Amazon affiliate program. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who's helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about everything that you need to know about Amazon and Amazon Associates. Now, Amazon Associates is the affiliate wing of Amazon.com. And to get started, you can either go to affiliate-program.amazon.com or you can go to Amazon.com and scroll to the bottom of the screen. So if we go to Amazon.com, what we're going to do is we're going to go all the way down to the bottom of the screen here, and we're going to look for Become an Affiliate. And once we find it, as you can see, it's right here. When you click on Become an Affiliate, it's going to take you to that website that I just referenced. What you'll need to do is click the sign up button here. It is free to sign up, and you don't need a website. While you don't need a website to get started, they will ask for a YouTube channel or a web app that you've developed. So go through it. It takes about 5 or 10 minutes to sign up for the Amazon Associates program. And then once you're signed in, you'll actually have access to the back office. When you first sign up for Amazon, you're going to get a conditional or provisional acceptance. Basically what that means is you need to get 3 qualified sales within 90 days to get full access to the program. If you don't get the 3 qualified sales in the time frame, your application will be denied. But you can always reapply. The only drawback to this process is that if you have affiliate links all over the internet, you have to go back and figure out where those affiliate links are, and you'll have to change them. Don't worry, a lot of people don't get accepted, don't get the full acceptance in the first time around. Don't feel bad, just go back, find those affiliate links, and change them. A few things that you need to know about Amazon is the cookie window, or the length of time an affiliate has to earn a commission off of a link click, and the amount of money that you can earn. So let's talk about the affiliate window. As I mentioned, the affiliate window is the length of time an affiliate has to earn a commission anytime a customer clicks on the link. So what happens is when a customer clicks on your Amazon link, there's a tiny piece of code called a cookie. In this case, it's an affiliate cookie that is attached to the customer's web browser. It'll follow that customer around wherever they go, and if the customer makes a purchase in the specified time frame, you can earn a commission. Now for Amazon, the cookie window is only 24 hours. So if someone were to click on my link right now at 8:56 a.m., I have until 8:55 a.m. tomorrow to earn a commission. If a customer doesn't click on the link and buy the product within that time frame, I will not earn a commission, and that cookie window will expire. So you want to make sure that you are actually helping the customer and not just spamming your links, because when people spam their links, they tend not to earn commissions and they get frustrated. So that is a little bit about the affiliate cookie window. Now let's talk about how much money you can make. One of the biggest drawbacks of Amazon Associates and being a Amazon affiliate is the amount of commissions you can earn when a customer clicks on your link and buys a product. Now, as an affiliate, you can earn commission payouts in 2 ways. It can either be a flat rate or it can be a percent of the total sale. With Amazon, it's actually a percent of the sale based on the category. What you see on the screen right now is the breakdown based on product categories. Now, unfortunately, one of the frustrations is Amazon drastically reduces their affiliate commissions or affiliate payouts over time. So you want to keep that in mind when you're getting started with Amazon. But if we take a look at this, as you can see, computer, PC, Blu-ray is only 2.5%. Now, this is always subject to change. I believe they reduce their commission payouts every 6 months to a year. So depending on when you see this, this could be drastically different. As you can see, luxury beauty is 10%. Digital music is 5%, and you can check out the rest. But be aware of this when you are deciding on the affiliate program, deciding on the products that you're going to promote, and make sure that you have this at the top of your mind so that you are not frustrated and confused. So this is a little bit about the front end. Let's talk about the back end and the back office. What we're going to do here is we're just going to log into Amazon Associates, and then I'm going to check back in with you and talk about some of the things that you should do when you first get started with Amazon. All right, so when you first get started with Amazon, the first thing that I recommend that you do is I recommend that you go over to Tools and you sign up for OneLink. Now, OneLink is important because Amazon has multiple Amazon stores across the world. As you can see, there's Canada and Japan and Great Britain, and you'll need to sign up for OneLink for all of those locations in order to earn sales. Let's say you are based in Canada and you only sign up for Amazon Associates Canada. You won't make any money from the Amazon Associates in the United States unless you sign up for OneLink. So I recommend the first thing that you do is spend some time signing up for OneLink for all of these different countries. That's only going to increase the amount of money that you make, especially if you're outside of the United States and you plan on creating content targeting United States traffic. You have to sign up for OneLink. The next thing you should do is you should sign up for SiteStripe. SiteStripe will allow you to add a little piece of code at the top of your Amazon store, which will actually make it easier for you to find your Amazon affiliate links. For example, if I go over to Amazon.com right now, I'll show you exactly what that SiteStripe looks like. All right, so we're on Amazon.com. You're perusing Amazon looking for products to promote. Let's say we want to promote something in, let's say we want to promote Fire tablets. We're going to grab the Fire HD 10 Plus, and at the top of the screen here, it says text. You can grab this link and you can put it right into your YouTube video, your blog post, whatever it is. It makes it much easier to do it this way than having to log all the way into Amazon Associates, searching for the product, and then getting the link that way. So as you can see here, if I click on text, you can grab the text. You can also do an image. You can see here what the image looks like. You just copy that and put it right into your blog, put it into your website, and so on. So two things that you should do, in my opinion, right away is sign up for OneLink and SiteStripe before you do anything else. The next step is really to figure out a game plan, figure out what you're going to promote. Should you promote on YouTube? Should you promote on blog? That's going to be the most important thing that you decide. Also, I recommend that you do spend some time, go through and make sure that you are looking at all of these pages and that you understand how Amazon Associates works. It is very easy to get kicked out of Amazon Associates if you are misleading customers, if you are listing prices, they'll reject you from that. So you want to make sure that you're not doing that. Be sure to go through and read every single page and make sure that you are 100% comfortable with everything on the Amazon Associates page. Now, again, first thing you want to do is you want to go to Amazon.com, click on Become an Affiliate. Sign up for free. You need to have a YouTube channel, a blog, or a app. Once you sign up, go over to SiteStripe and Amazon OneLink, set all of those up, and it'll make your life much easier. And let me just show you what it looks like if you do not sign up for OneLink. What we're going to do here, if you look at this channel, 5 best cameras under $1,000, this person has not signed up for OneLink, and so now he has to have 3 times as many links for the same products. But if you do sign up for OneLink, you just need one link for one product. It makes it much cleaner. It makes your life much, much easier. So I can't stress the importance of OneLink. If you are creating content that's going to be appealing to everyone around the world, you should sign up for OneLink immediately. Now, again, you want to make sure that you track where your links are, because if you don't get the qualified sales in the specified time frame, you can get a rejection. But remember, you can also reapply and get another 90 days or 6 months, whatever it is at the time that you're seeing this. So now that you know everything that you need to know about Amazon Associates, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, Alston Godbolt, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.